from HDM Stuttgart University. The manager is Mr. Schanz. The Daimler, where we are here, we are not far away from one of the largest production sites in Stuttgart from Daimler. And it's just, let's say, half a kilometer from here, where the very large factory is Daimler. Where we see this Benz build the small brand Smart.
Everybody, to give you a first impression, I will just hand out some samples. So
some samples from the bottle, from the manual. Because you know you need English, you need French, I need German. The system said it's the wrong article. I always made some errors, and every day they said, Torben, our efficiency is not so high as it could be. Please don't show our process too often to our customers because our efficiency. And right now we generate 5,000 out. We saw very fast to get the right thing. So we negotiate some service level agreements, and the second thing that is very important for us is that they use barcode, that they use color match. Our printing suppliers, because the same, what is our customers working with us, the same thing we will work together. Fraunhofer, which is a large research print.
This is a museum piece, huh?
Linotype?
Yeah.
Linotype, yes, linotype.
All these programs are part of our university
Industry, in a printing company. So we have basically two kinds of printing companies. Here, commercial printer and packaging printer as well. And then we have two government officials with us. One is the sponsor of this trip, this teaching. Okay. Our government does fund this, not 100%, but they do fund us for coming. And we have another government official, Daniel, who is in charge of land use in Singapore. So he's here to understand how much land we require in printing business. To supply paper. And we also have a gentleman from the advertising agency, backhand, Justin. Okay. Anybody else that I miss out? No? No. What are our backgrounds? Okay, thank you.
15 minutes only, give you a little impression around the library. We have students.
EPUB, which is our open access service system for UK.
And also cross-media articles. So the students working here are doing homework, and it's not like a normal course. The students are working here, and a colleague and me, we are here all
the graphic design, the package design of the boxes, for example. The next step is to produce single prototypes, and the
for sheet-fed offset printing and for web heat-set printing. So 2 different types of software. And I'll check my densitometer. And you see here, I have more density because the yellow was increased. So normally our students get something like this and they have to solve it to get a good print sheet for the customer. And we try to teach them just sort of an introduction to printing. We start out with easy things like register, ink and water, and so on. And then it gets more complicated, get into powder problems, problems maybe with your blanket or with the paper or so on. You can access the press here. You can go into any printing unit and you can access the press. We'll just turn it off for a moment.
We have electronic media, advertising, informatics. We have all different departments, printing technologies. We have technology is for packaging mostly. It's engraving with a diamond. Yeah. 1 ink, 1 cylinder in the sense you see black, cyan, magenta, in printer. It's standing here, but probably it will be used by electronic media for animation. And what it produces is objects, but it's made with that powder. It's plaster, cement plaster, and it uses the ourselves. Yes.
How big can it be?
The machines.
I mean the cylinder. 1 meter.
Well, that's
Maximum.
hello. Basically, for Versace, something like that, and they will put on corrugated board and so on. Surely, I think that you.
他在做什么？查金粉的，查金油是吗？哦，印出来马上查。哦 ，OK，idea.
I have a yellow mesh. A mesh is something with holes in it. So this is stretched over the frame. It's like a trampoline.
Very strong.
It's very strong, or it's like a drum. You can play the drum. Attention. Oh, I have a. This is my machine to stretch with very fine screen. So I can use very rough screens with big holes in it. Or very fine screen.
200 string.
These are we say the centimeters. These are so when I hold it through the light, you can see through the screen the yellow parts or the open parts. And the green parts, well, depends on the material.
Yeah.
I print also on textile, I print on glass, I print on plastics.
So for fabric,
ceramics.
what is the recommended resolution? How high can you go?
Textile printing is the easiest way. You can do micro printing. This is Batman, you know Batman? So you have this emblem on this.
So how many colors?
And when you look here inside, we have a micro text. So you can't read it with your eyes. You need a microscope. These pictures, these are a little bit more yellow.
Yes.
And these are more
on the radio, and you get some additional information about the university.
Talking a lot about future of print all over the world. Printing for, on the one hand, the more academic area, on the other hand, the
To see lots of.
So we have 50 minutes for the dinner. You can see it over here, over there. There's a table.